Good afternoon, everybody. It's Andy O'Fee, the Yankee closer. Today is Thursday, December the 6th. Yes, December 6th. And we have had really a incredible move in the market since Monday, even though we were closed yesterday for the ceremonies for past president number 41, George Bush. And the market volatility has really been incredible since the week started. The stock market was down at one point, 700 points today. It has picked up some of those gains back. And Monday, we saw the market down lower also. And this is all on the heels of a lot of pressure that's being put on the Fed in regards to their interest rate moves as far as short-term interest rates go. The president's putting pressure on them. A lot of the Fed presidents are commenting on the fact that maybe we are at neutrality when it comes to that. A lot of talk about a yield curve inversion between the 2-year and the 10-year yields. We can talk about that at another time, which is one of the earlier signals that we get when we could potentially go into recession. Not to say that it happens right away, but we can talk about that too. So there's been just incredible volatility, and it's been great for the bond market because, again, it's that flight to quality bid out of stocks into the more secure investment opportunity. And this has happened since the beginning of the month. Now, you got to remember, we started at 3% on the 10-year note earlier this week, and now we got down to 283. We have picked up a little bit of steam to the negative side when it got now back up to 285, 286. And then, of course, the Fed's big comment that they did make is that their moves are going to be data dependent. So they're going to be looking at every piece of economic data that comes out. Now, tomorrow, as far as everyone knows, we have the BLS, the labor report, that's going to come out this morning. Today, the ADP report came out, and the number of jobs created per the ADP report came in slightly less than expected. So going into tomorrow, I'm looking at the number right now as really another wild card, but do we get a stronger number? Given the fact that we had fires in California, we still are trying to recoup some of the people getting back to work after hurricanes. I mean, is all that going to flow in, and are we going to see any type of slowdown as far as labor and job growth? So it's really a wild card. At some point this morning, I was going to tell us, hey, you know what, the market's rallying pretty good. Let's go ahead and wait and see if the market comes in, because we had some levels that the market could sit on if we did get a strong number tomorrow. Well, that cushion now that we had earlier this morning has gone away, with stocks bringing back some of those losses. So I'm going to encourage everybody going into the number tomorrow to go ahead and lock. I don't think after this recent move, and I'm going to show you yield on the 10-year chart, it's pretty incredible. Let's look real quick. And you can see that we started back over here at the beginning of November at the 323 level. And, each time we try to test that next level higher, it did bounce back down. So now we move back down, and you can see this has just been a really nice free fall for us as far as yields go, and we should be taking advantage of these lower rates as we go into the number tomorrow. So let's go ahead and lock in going into tomorrow. It's not a panic lock, but like I said, if the number comes in on the screws, maybe we'll get a little rally. But this number, this line in the sand right here, seems to have held pretty good. We got below it for a little bit, and then stocks kind of caused it to back up into this red candle. So let's keep our eye on it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Lock in going into tomorrow's number. And as always, I'll be out at 7:30 tomorrow with the post to see where the numbers are. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Andy O'Fee, the Yankee closer. Have a great afternoon. Talk to you soon.